Hi everyone, welcome back to Falcon Path. Today we're going to go through the process of installation of the immobilizer on the 09. The original immobilizer that you ordered will come in this form. So if you have ordered a 09 immobilizer, inform us, we will deshell the immobilizer and it will reach you like this. So you do have to do the deshelling on your own. And also, additionally, we have made a wire harness to make the installation process a lot more easier. Without further ado, we shall proceed to step 1. So the very first step is to remove the front plastic cover. Okay, once you unscrew the front cover, pull out and watch out not to break this plastic cover here. Shift it to the top. And once that's done, the next cover to remove is actually the rear plastic cover on the right side of the scooter. Go. Okay, so by taking out this cover, this will be the location where you will slot in your immobilizer. Now back to the front. Locate your throttle wire. It should come in a 6-color wired connector. Okay, so once you find the right connector to unplug, there will be a cable tie on the connector itself. You should snap off the cable tie. Okay, take note of the 6 color. It should be red, blue, black, green, yellow and orange. On the other end of the connector, the wire colors will be slightly different. Okay, one of them is a white one. Okay, the white one is actually the positive wire. That's why it goes to the red one here. Use the wire harness provided. Okay. So the male one
is connected to controller.
Will go to the controller side.
Female will go to the
female one will go to the throttle side.
Yeah. Okay.
Now is to arrange the wire back into the compartment here. So first, slot the 3-pin connector from the wire harness back into the tube. Followed by the throttle wire from the controller and the throttle. So once you push the wire in, it should reach all the way to the back. And you will have to adjust the one in the front. Okay, once you have the connector reached out, plug in your immobilizer. You'll hear a beep sound. This indicates that the immobilizer is now activated and ready to go. So before you plug it back in or before you plug the immobilizer back in, do a quick test with your remote. So first thing first, lock. Once it's locked, test the vibration. Unlock. And test the on-off. So now it's able to on. Now we try locking it while riding. Okay, good. Next is to close up the system. Okay, once the immobilizer goes in, make sure the antenna is facing outwards. This is the receiver's antenna. Then you can cover back the plastic cover. And of course, you have to pull back the screws. Next, we move on to the front. You will have to rearrange the wires. You need to be careful of the charging port inside. Okay, cool. So once you have the wires rearranged, time to pull back the front plastic cover. Check for any wires dangling outside. Make sure you don't get any one of them damaged. A few things to take note is sometimes the brake hose here will actually get stuck with the plastic cover because the fitting is tight. So you will have to adjust it a bit to push the front plastic cover back in. Okay, so that's all. Of course, pull back the screws, make sure everything is tight, and the scooter is ready to go. Thank you everyone for watching. Remember to subscribe and have a great day.